It is April 16th, 2026. So here are some of the fans that I've got installed currently at my townhouse, as this is kind of going to be like a monthly series. Outside is still the same, Minka Air, Sundance. So it is a little dark as I'm recording this. The living room is still the same Gulf Coast Dixie Belle as you know and love. I don't plan on taking this down for a little while. So, and the dining room is the Emerson Tempest. I really love this thing. This thing's pretty cool. I wish I could get a second matching one because, like I said, I just want to do dual matching fans here because it would be pretty cool to see. Now, going out to the garage. In the garage, we got on the test rig, we got the Heritage Alexis. This thing's kind of cool, but like I said, I plan on getting rid of it at some point. So yeah. And now we go upstairs. Bedroom fan. The bedroom fans are still the same old Dixie Belle and the Emerson. Now in the office, still the same. Don't plan on switching this one out, as like I said, this one is a permanent install. And now we're going to the newest install in my house. So we have this 52-inch 5-blade Fasco Charleston. Now this thing is really gorgeous. I love it. It's a good fan. I don't have it running right now because this room does get kind of cold, but I just went ahead and kind of just started it up on low. And this one I actually installed yesterday. So who knows, there might be some more changes coming up within the next month. But for right now, this is what I've got currently installed in my house. So hopefully you guys like it, like what's going on, and feel free to comment and so on and so forth. This is Ginger Fan Studios here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a wonderful day and take care.